Alright, good morning everyone, and welcome back to the Real Indiana Fishing YouTube channel. That doesn't sound right, because it's not, but in a way it is, because the Reeltnfishing YouTube channel this week is in Indiana on the Tippecanoe River, because my wife has an aunt and uncle that live here in Battleground, Indiana. So starting as of last year, we've been coming up for the week of the 4th of July, and we've been staying, the big 4th of July party and stuff, and just hanging out with family. Some turtles right here behind me this morning. But this is Battleground, Indiana. This is the Tippecanoe River. This is smallmouth heaven for the most part. That is usually all I catch up here, but we are going to do our best this week to try to catch some monster smallmouth, have some fun, and just catch a bunch of fish in general. So we're gonna go out here this morning, gonna do some wading, just gonna walk out here, got my sandals on, and we're gonna throw a rooster tail on just my Lew's Mock Smash spinning combo, and we're gonna see if we can't catch some fish. So I'm gonna make a series of videos this week. Like I said, we're gonna do a bunch of smallmouth fishing. We're gonna try to do some catfishing this week. I've got 4 or 5 poles with me, so we're gonna go out here and really we're just gonna have some fun. We're gonna relax and we're gonna try to catch some fish. So I appreciate y'all tagging along, and hey, let's go fishing, y'all. Friends up there. I'm gonna leave you alone, buddy. I'm not gonna mess with you. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cast not quite directly parallel to me, just at a little bit of an angle, and I'm going to reel, so I reel it back to where it comes directly in front, kind of there in the strike zone, and kind of turn my body as I reel. We should have a little luck this morning. First cast, y'all. First cast. How about that, y'all? Nope, there he went. Did get to show him to y'all, but that actually counts. We got into it. It wasn't a monster or anything, but all right. There we go, y'all. I seen him jump, and I cast it right back to him. Until we can't get him to us. It's a good one. Get my pliers back in my pocket. Oh, there he went. Didn't get to hold him up, but the fish nonetheless. Alright, y'all. I'll eventually catch one and hold it up for the camera. They're not monsters by any stretch, but boom. That's a good one, y'all. That's a really good one. See if we can't get this one up to us. Oh yeah, that's a really good one. All right, y'all, look at that. That is a good one. So I've measured, let's see here. Get this hook out of him. No, Brian, look at that, y'all. That's a good one right there. So what I've done is I've measured on my pole here. This piece of black tape is 20 inches from the bottom. So he's probably 14 inches, 13 inches. Nonetheless, that's a nice fish, y'all. All right, let him go. Another one. That's 3 in a row, y'all. This one's not as big as that last one, but he's a little guy. But oh, man. All right, what is that? That's 4, I think. I've been out here about an hour. I missed a couple. Boom. Look at that, y'all. Another one. Back to back to back. Oh, that's a pretty one right there. All right. Let's get the hook out of him. All right, y'all, look at that. Look at the color on these fish. Made him bleed a little bit. It's all right. There he goes. Well, I don't know what kind of spot we've run across right here, but all I'm doing, I'm just flipping it down and then just barely reeling it back towards us. Pretty shallow right here. Well, I said it's pretty shallow. Boom. Let's see if we can put it right on top of them that time. Not where they just jumped. That's the kind of cast you just hope you can make when they're hitting top water. And it's getting a little deep down here, so I'm gonna have to hold. There we go. Got him. Oh. I'm trying to back up here. I'm in some deep water. Not a horrible fish. What is that? That is not a smallmouth. In the world? Well, now I don't know what that is, y'all. I think that's a skipjack, maybe. Well. But I have just noticed something. I only have 2 hooks on my rooster. The thing about these smallmouth is they are rough on a rooster tail. That is for sure. We'll give it a couple more casts and see. I mean, we've landed, I don't know how long the hook's been broke, but we've landed fish with it. I don't like the ground is super soft down here. I'm gonna go back upriver because I started slipping just then. Saw him come up and hit it, so I know that 2 tribbles will catch one. It's actually a pretty decent one, y'all. Thought I was recording, but I had stopped. I'm having a problem out of my GoPro overheating. And the thing is it's not that hot out here. So it may be time to look into a new camera, such as a DJI or something. All right, guys, we didn't catch 10 fish, but I think I ended up, I want to say 6 smallmouth. It may have been 7, I'm not sure. And I'm pretty sure what I think was a skipjack. I'll look into it and see. But hey, for an hour and a half, that is not a bad morning at all. And the good thing is I just have to walk right up the hill here, and I am where I am staying at. So we're going to get ready, me, the wife, and the little one. We're going to go to Indiana Beach, which is an amusement park here in Monticello, Indiana. So I will do some more fishing tonight. I will definitely do some more fishing the rest of this week. Might take the boat or the kayak out on the next video, but I don't know yet. I'll figure it out. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, hit that like and that subscribe button for me. We'll do this again here very soon, and hey, until next time, y'all, let's go fishing.